Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. TR Tony here. This week got a special update from our roving reporter, Bill Somerville, who's normally based over in Canada. Anyway, he's been over to Scotland and checked in on another stag. Let's go and have a quick look.
So here we are in Scotland in a place called Lanarkshire, which is in between Glasgow and Edinburgh. And we're off to see Robert. Robert has a stag and we're going to visit him. He lives near Wishaw, in a place called Waterloo. Never been there before, so this will be our first. Alright, and we're with Robert, and he's just opened up his garage door to we see the Triumph Stag, and look at this. Look at this. And a BSA.
A BSA Thunderbolt.
There you go. Look at that dashboard. That's not original, is it?
No, I made that dashboard.
Alright, so tell us that wee story about the Triumph 2000.
The Triumph, I bought it September 21. Had no intention of buying this stag at that point, but things happened, I ended up buying it.
Yeah.
After I bought it, I got it here, I found out how much work was involved in it, and it took 6 months to get it to a stage where I get it to actually roll out the workshop. So,
Wow.
Full floor has been replaced, sills have been replaced, outriggers have been replaced, so it's had massive amount of welding work done to it.
Just for the flooring, just rusted away.
Yep.
Oh, it's manual, love it.
I've tried to keep as much of the original car in place as I can.
Well, I can see you've done that with the bike as well.
Yeah.
That's the Thunderbolt.
Yep.
So very good. So, and you bought it off of...
I bought it off a friend.
All right.
Who was no longer able to look after it.
Yeah.
And as I say, it turned out to be a whole can of worms, shall we say. I think the only thing I haven't had to do any major repair work to is the engine itself. It's had a gearbox rebuild, it's had a prop shaft rebuild, it's had shafts rebuilt, brakes have obviously been rebuilt and replaced, carburetors have been stripped and new jets, and nails put into it. So it's had a fair bit of work done to it.
All right, so let's open the hood.
The car when it came out of the factory was originally green, and some of it's actually been painted red, so I've kept it to its original the colour I got it.
This is very nice. So do you mean green inside as well?
If you look, you'll see bits and pieces where some paint's flaked off and the original green colour is shown through.
Yeah.
The only other real modification I've done is I've fitted an electric fan to try and help to keep the temperature down, make sure it doesn't overheat. So it's been a bit sizable.
This is it's nice, it's clean, it's sharp.
It's not
very few modifications.
It's a usable classic. I enjoy driving
Exactly.
it. It's not pristine by any manner of means. I've got it to the level it's at. It was actually painted in here.
Yeah.
I had a spray booth set up for us to do it. Of course, it fell through at the last minute. So, in fact, you can still see remains of the.
Keep it on.
I've got a picture history of it. I've taken notes of the repair, so I've got a good history of what's been done to it and what hasn't been done to it. Bodywork, some bits of bodywork I want to redo. The bonnet was never finished as well as I would hope. And of course, the fact that I sprayed it in here is it's fine. Look at it, you won't find any flaws on it. Other than there's some dust that get kicked up.
No, you didn't. Did you take out the windscreen on this?
Windscreen was taken out, interior was taken out.
Wow. Now for Tony back home, my own car I just put it on the road.
Alright.
And I got a hood from Ohio, and its first. I'm out here just now on business, but its first run was last Sunday.
Yeah.
That was its first run after 3 years. Actually, it's going to be more than that because it was off the road for many years.
Yeah.
So it's my car, but I've got some sort of Buick Thunder type thing engine in it.
Right.
I'm not sure what it is, but I was actually looking. There was a rolled over Dodge Viper, and I put a bid in it for 6,000 for its drivetrain and all the rest of it. But it went for 12,000.
That'd be interesting. But I mean, this. That's just a standard original 3-litre one. And if you pull away from that with anything like a bit of throttle, I'll just spin the wheel. So if you put that in it, you'd never hold it on the road. Probably not. No chance.
But it looked great.
Yeah, it would do. It certainly would do.
And the other thing we did is when I went up to pick up from the garage, my insurance, I phoned up my insurance guy, and he goes, I need insurance. He goes, when do you want it? I said, well, I'm walking up to the garage right now. he says, okay, so by the time I was actually coming out of the garage, he goes, I've got you insurance for 20,700 replacement value. So any kind of damage, they're just going to. I said, how much a year? It was $350, which I thought was rather reasonable.
Yeah. The insurance for classics it's not bad.
Yeah.
I think this is just over £100 a year for classic insurance.
So it's in par. It's in par.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Oh, wonderful. All right. So do you want? Will we start it up?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So there's these Mark 1 seats.
Mark 1 seats were rebuilt as well.
Yeah.
New foam that so the driver's seat you see has got a tear in it.
Yeah,
I want to try and keep it original rather than chase it.
Original Leyland leatherette.
Yep. The other one is tan interior is very rare to get hold of. It's a very, very rare colour. So it's very difficult to get hold of. But as I say, it's a usable classic.
All right. So
We'll fire it up and get it out.
Very nice, eh? Sweet. So the engine is just as is?
Yeah, basically, yes.
So the 1,000 miles are under there?
100
All right. There's no tapping noise, there's no nothing, that's quite a sweet sound. Oh yeah. Oh, very good. Very good. And it's a daily runner, which I love to bits, right? We shouldn't be kept in that.
No, it's used, it's local car shows, car shows, I get together local classics once a month, and I usually take it to that, so it gets out. It's been to 2 or 3 wee classic shows. As I say, it's not pristine by any manner of means, but it's what I enjoy driving.
Exactly. I'm the same as you. Well, we're going out for a spin in Robert's car. We're on the way on the back road to Newmains. And Robert just told me he's just rebuilt the carburetors, so he hasn't actually been out the road since then, so we might not make it back. We might have to walk back.
We'll make it.
But what a lovely day as well to go out without the roof on and going out for a tour in the Stag. Excellent stuff. Oh, loving that dashboard, by the way. Beautiful. Well, Robert, thank you very much. And glad to meet you. Maggie, thank you for being the videographer. And Tony, I'll see you in a wee while. Well, that was very interesting. Later on, Robert showed me some photographs of his car when he first got it. And although it looked okay, the actual extent of the damage to the floor, the sills, the hood, the bonnet was quite extensive. That car must have been one step away from scrapyard or renovation. So we're kind of lucky Robert took the time of it to bring that car back, and we applaud him greatly. Take care. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed that. Bill and Robert, thank you very much for a wonderful production. Thanks for showing us your Stag. Robert, really enjoyed that all weekend. Sending you some stuff in the post just as a bit of a thank you. Bill, as ever, fantastic roving report. Look forward to the next one in due course. That's it for this week, guys. Hope you have a really great week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Give us a few thumbs up as well. And we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Cheers for now. All the best. Bye.